Assalamu alaikum all and welcome to the Broadway School YouTube channel. We are learning primary mathematics of grade 3 and today's topic is word problems of time. As we all know that we are doing our last chapter of our syllabus, of our final term syllabus, that is time, and the word problem is the last topic of your chapter. So the word problems, that means today's topic is the last topic of your syllabus as well. Okay, for the next video, for the next working, you will get your revision worksheets, and for the next video you have to subscribe our YouTube channel, the Broadway School. Now let's come to the topic. Okay students, here is your page number 219 of your textbook, and the example number 1 of your word problem is that what they are saying: it takes 5 hours and 10 minutes to travel from Islamabad to Lahore by bus, and it takes 1 hour 15 minutes shorter to travel from Lahore to Multan by bus. वो क्या कह रहे हैं? इस्लामाबाद से लाहौर जाने में 5 घंटे और 10 मिनट लगते हैं, जबकि लाहौर से मुल्तान आने में एज़ कम्पेयर टू इस्लाम टू लाहौर 1 घंटा 15 मिनट कम लगते हैं. शॉर्टर मीन्स कम लगते हैं, लेस लगते हैं. दैट इज़ द लेस टाइम. जितना टाइम इस्लामाबाद से लाहौर जाने में लगता है, यानी कि 5 घंटे 10 मिनट, उस टाइम से 1 घंटा 15 मिनट कम टाइम लगते हैं हमें लाहौर से मुल्तान आने के लिए. दैट मीन्स दे हैव गिवन अ क्लू, द 1 hour 15 minutes shorter, and from this clue we have to find out the duration from Lahore to Multan. How much time does it take to travel from Islamabad to Multan by bus? Now they are asking about the total time that takes from Islamabad to Multan. They are talking about the 3 cities actually. The first is Islamabad, second one is Lahore, and the third one is Multan. And they have given the duration between Islamabad and Lahore, that is 5 hours and 10 minutes. And from Lahore to Multan, they have given a clue, the 1 hour 15 minutes shorter. And from this clue we have to find out the duration between Lahore and Multan. Okay, shorter means lesser. And the word shorter indicates that we have to subtract this 1 hour 15 minutes with this 5 hour and 10 minutes. अगर हम 1 घंटा 15 मिनट माइनस कर दें 5 hour 10 मिनट्स में से, तो हमारे पास ड्यूरेशन फाइंड आउट हो जाएगी लाहौर से मुल्तान तक की. ओके, लेट्स डू इट. 5 hours and 10 minutes minus 1 hour 15 minutes. 10 minutes is less than 15 minutes. We cannot solve this 10 and 15 because we cannot subtract 15 from 10 minutes. Okay, now for this purpose we have to split this hour into minutes. If we take carry from this hour, it will become 4, and if we take carry from this hour to this minute, that means we are taking carry 60, as we have done before in the previous lessons. We have learned about it. Okay, this will become 4 hours and 60 plus 10 is 70 minutes. The same case they have shown in this question here, 4 hours and 70 minutes, that is equals to 5 hours and 10 minutes. Now subtract it with 1 hour and 15 minutes. The final answer is 3 hours and 55 minutes. Now the 3 hours and 55 minutes is the duration between Lahore and Multan. That means the duration between Lahore and Multan is 3 hours and 55 minutes. Okay, now we can say that it takes 3 hours 55 minutes to travel from Lahore to Multan by bus. Okay, now we have to calculate the total time from Islamabad to Multan. For this purpose we have to add both of these amounts, 5 hours and 10 minutes and 3 hours and 55 minutes. After adding 5 hours and 10 minutes and 3 hours and 55 minutes, we got the answer 8 hours and 65 minutes. Now the 65 is greater than 60. That means we have to split this into 60s, 8 hours and 65 minutes. If we split the 65 into 60, the left minute is 5 minutes. Okay, we can write 5 minutes as it is, and 60 minutes will become the 1 hour, and this 1 hour and this 8 hour will become 9 hour. You have to correct it. This will be the 9 hour. Okay, you have to correct it on your textbook by yourself. 9 hours and 5 minutes is the final answer. Okay, now we can say that it takes 9 hours and 5 minutes to travel from Islamabad to Multan by bus. I hope you got it well. Okay, on the next page, on page number 220, the example number 2 is Jacob and Jenny took 3 hours 5 minutes to decorate the Christmas tree. Jacob and Jenny दोनों ने 3 घंटे और 5 मिनट डेकोरेट करने के लिए लिए हैं. किस चीज़ को डेकोरेट करने के लिए? क्रिसमस ट्री की डेकोरेशन के लिए. एंड दे टुक 1 hour 55 minutes longer to decorate the Christmas tree than to wrap the presents. और नेक्स्ट टाइम में वो क्या कह रहे हैं? सेकंड काम उन्होंने क्या किया था? सेकंड वर्क प्रेजेंट्स रैप किए थे, और इस प्रेजेंट रैपिंग में वो टाइम बता रहे हैं, टाइम का क्लू दे रहे हैं. ओके, दे टुक 1 hour 55 minutes longer to decorate the Christmas tree. वो कह रहे हैं उन्होंने 1 घंटा 55 मिनट ज़्यादा टाइम दिया है क्रिसमस ट्री को डेकोरेट करने में than to wrap the presents as compared to wrapping the presents. ठीक है, प्रेजेंट्स को रैप करने में कम टाइम लगाया है, क्रिसमस ट्री को ज़्यादा टाइम दिया है. ओके, what was the total time they took to decorate the Christmas tree and wrap the presents? टोटल टाइम 3 hour and 5 minutes है. क्रिसमस ट्री को इस टाइम में से वो 1 hour and 55 minutes ज़्यादा टाइम देते हैं, और रैपिंग प्रेजेंट्स के लिए कितना टाइम देंगे वो? यू हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट. ओके, फॉर दिस पर्पज वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस 3 hour and 5 minutes minus 1 hour and 55 minutes. This is the extra time, 1 hour and 55 minutes. That means if we subtract this from the total time, we can find out the equal time which they spent on the Christmas tree and wrapping the presents. For this purpose, we have to subtract these two numbers, and 3 hour and 5 minutes minus 1 hour 55 minutes. Again, the problem is same, the 5 minutes and 55 minutes. 55 cannot be subtracted from 5. We have to split this number. So it will become 3 hours and 65 minutes, 2 hours and 65 minutes. And 65 minus 55 is 10, and 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 hour and 10 minutes. We can say that they took 1 hour and 10 minutes to wrap their presents. प्रेजेंट्स को रैप करने के लिए उन्होंने 1 घंटा और 10 मिनट लिए हैं. नाउ 1 hour and 10 minutes is the time for wrapping presents, and if we add this time into this 1 hour and 55 minutes, we can find out the total time they took for the decoration of the Christmas tree. Okay, now add this two amount, 3 hours and 5 minutes and 1 hour and 10 minutes. The answer is 4 hours and 15 minutes. Okay, that means the final answer is 4 hours and 15 minutes. They took a total of 4 hours and 15 minutes to decorate the Christmas tree and wrap the presents. Okay, the next example is example number 220 on your page number, textbook page number 221, example number 3. What they are saying in this example, Azam spent 1 hour 45 minutes surfing the internet. आज़म ने 1 घंटा 45 मिनट लिए हैं इंटरनेट पर सर्फिंग के लिए. इंटरनेट पे डिफरेंट चीज़ें सर्च करने के लिए, डिफरेंट चीज़ें देखने के लिए, रिसर्च के लिए. ही स्पेंड 20 minutes longer playing computer games. और उसने 20 मिनट मज़ीद लिए हैं कंप्यूटर गेम्स खेलने के लिए. Okay, what was the total time he spent on the computer? इंटरनेट सर्फिंग में उसने कितना टाइम लिया? 1 hour and 45 minutes. और प्लेइंग वीडियो गेम्स खेलने में, कंप्यूटर के ऊपर गेम्स खेलने में उसने मज़ीद 20 मिनट लगाए. तो इसका मतलब उसने टोटल कंप्यूटर पे कितना टाइम दिया? ओके, this 20 minutes longer is your clue to find out the time that he spent on the playing computer games. 1 hour and 45 minutes and 20 minutes. If we add both of these numbers, 1 hour and 60, the answer is 1 hour and 65 minutes. Okay, 65 is again greater than 60. We have to convert this into hours and minutes, and we have to split this 65 into 6 days. The 5 minutes is left, and this from the 60 minute, from this minutes, the 60 will come to this hour, and it will become 1 hour. So 1 hour this one, and the 1 hour for this 60 minutes, it will become 2 hours. Okay, the same case they have done in the book as well. 2 hours and 5 minutes. Azam spends 2 hours 5 minutes playing computer games. That is the time that he spent on the playing games, only for the games. Okay, now we have to find out the final answer, total time that he spent on the computer, the 2 hours and 5 minutes, and the time that he spent on the surfing the internet, that was 1 hour and 45 minutes. We have to add both of these amount. The final answer is 3 hours and 15 minutes. That means we can say that he spent a total of 3 hours and 50 minutes on the computer. Okay, I hope you got it, all of your 3 examples. Okay, now come on the page number 222 of your textbook, and these are the questions you have to solve on your notebooks. Okay, the word problems. On Sunday, question number 1 on your textbook, page number 222. Your question number 1 is, on Sunday, Maggie spent 2 hours 35 minutes to help collect funds for the needy, and 1 hour 20 minutes longer helping the old people's home. How much time did she spend doing charity work on Sunday? What they are saying, Sunday को मैगी 2 घंटे 35 मिनट स्पेंड करती है फंड्स कलेक्टिंग में फॉर द नीडी पीपल. ओके, फॉर द नीडी. और 1 घंटा 20 मिनट ज़्यादा स्पेंड करती है एट ओल्ड एज होम. ओके, टू हेल्पिंग द ओल्ड पीपल्स होम. 1 hour and 20 minutes is the clue to find out the time that she spent on helping the old people's home. Okay, how much time did she spend doing charity work on Sunday? Okay, the question number 1, I am solving this question for your convenience. You have to solve this question on your notebooks as well. The question number 1, you have to make your page header like you have done in your class. All write your question like this: on Sunday, 3 dots, and on Sunday. The first 2 and the last 2 words of your question. Okay, now the solution is, what is the first statement? The first statement will come from this line, because we find out the numeric values in this line, 2 hours and 35 minutes, and this 2 hours and 35 minutes is for the collecting funds. That means we can say that Maggie spent to help collect funds, that is 2 hours and 35 minutes. You can change your statements. Okay, it's up to you. This is only the sample. You can make your own statements. You can solve this question as you wish, but the method should be right. Okay, and 1 hour 20 minutes longer, the next numeric value is in the second line. That means we have to write this numeric value. We have to explain this numeric value in the statement. And 1 hour and 20 minutes longer helping the old people's home, and longer helping the old people's home. The total time was 1 hour and 20 minutes. But this is the longer time, not the exact value. You have to find out it. Okay, longer means you have to add. Longer means more, and more means you have to do addition to find out the time that she spent on the old people home. Now add both of these amounts. You should write your hours and minutes as separately as it is 2 and 30 hours. The first amount is 2 hours and 35 minutes, and the second amount is 1 hour and 20 minutes. Add both of these amounts. 5 plus 0 5, 3 plus 2 5, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, the 3 hour and 55 minutes is the time that she spent in helping the old people's home. We can write it that she spent 3 hour 55 minutes helping the old people's home. Okay, now what they have asked, how much time did she spend doing charity work on Sunday? They have asked about the total work, the total charity work, helping the old people's home, and the time that she spent in collecting funds. Okay, the time that she spent in helping the old people's home, that is 3 hours and 55 minutes, and the first time they have given 2 hours and 35 minutes. They have to add both of these amounts, like hours and minutes. 2 hours and 35 minutes, 2 and 35, and add it into 3 hours and 55 minutes. 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 comes carry. 5 plus 3 is 8, and 1 plus 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, 5 hours and 90 minutes is the final answer, but there is a problem in minutes because the minutes are greater than 60. That means we have to convert this 90 into 60s as before we have done in the examples. 5 hours and 90 minutes. Can we write it as 60 minutes? Now if we write 60 from the 90, the left amount is 30. We can write it as it is. Okay, can we say that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes? So we can replace this 60 minutes with 1 hour. 5 hours will come as it is. 60 minutes, except 60 minutes we can write 1 hour. We should write 1 hour, and 30 minutes will come as it is. Now 5 hours and 1 hour is 6 hours, and this 30 minutes. Okay, that means we can say that the final statement is Maggie spent 6 hours 30 minutes doing charity work on Sunday. That's all. This is the question number 1. Okay. The question number 2 is, Tom took 2 hours 15 minutes to complete a walkathon. He took 1 hour 5 minutes longer than Ali. What was the total time Tom and Ali took to complete the walkathon? Tom अपनी वॉकाथन कंप्लीट करने के लिए 2 घंटे 15 मिनट का टाइम लेता, और अली ने लिया, और एंड ही टुक 1 hour 5 minutes longer than अली, और उसने अली से 1 घंटा 5 मिनट ज़्यादा टाइम दिए. That means if we have to find out the time of Ali, we have to subtract this amount 1 hour and 5 minutes from this amount to find out the time of Ali, duration of Ali, we can say it. Okay, what was the total time Tom and Ali took to complete the walkathon? After finding out the time duration that Ali took to complete the walkathon, we have to add the time of Ali and the time of Tom to find out the final answer. I hope you got it. You have to solve this question number 2 by yourself on your notebooks. Okay? The 2 hours and 15 minutes after subtracting 1 hour and 5 minutes from this 2 hour and 15 minutes, you have to add in your latest answer this 2 hour and 15 minutes, and then you will find out your final answer. You will got your final answer. Okay. Okay, now the question number 3 is, I am explaining these questions just because of your convenience. Okay, I hope you will not have any query in your mind after the explanation, after listening this explanation of these 6 questions. Maham cycled for 1 hour and 55 minutes. महाम ने साइकिलिंग के लिए टाइम स्पेंड किया, साइकिलिंग पर टाइम स्पेंड किया 1 घंटा 55 मिनट. द टोटल टाइम दैट महाम एंड सलमा साइकिल्ड वॉज 5 hours 45 minutes. उन दोनों का, महाम और सलमा का टोटल टाइम 5 hours and 45 minutes था. हाउ मच लॉन्गर डिड सलमा साइकिल देन महाम. सलमा ने महाम से कितना टाइम ज़्यादा लिया. ओके, नाउ they have given the total time, that is 5 hours and 45 minutes, and they have given the time of one person, of Maham. If we have to find out the time of Salma, if we have to find out the duration that Salma spent on the cycling, we have to subtract both of these amounts, 1 hour 55 minutes and 5 hours 45 minutes. Okay, there is a clue in your question that whenever the how much longer, how much then come into your questions, that means you have to do subtraction. Okay, how much longer, how much then, these are the words that are showing the comparison, and to have to show your comparison you have to do subtraction. Got it? Okay, 5 hours and 45 minutes and 1 hour 55 minutes. After subtracting both of these amounts, you will find out the answer that Salma cycled. Okay, now after the subtraction, they have asked how much longer did Salma cycle than Maham. You have to compare your answers as well. Okay, I can solve this question for your convenience, but this question you have to solve on your notebooks as well. The question number 3. Okay, make your own statements. I can show your working only. The hours and minutes. If we subtract 5 hours and 45 minutes and 1 hour and 55 minutes, whatever the answer is, you have to use this answer. Okay, this will be the answer of Salma cycled. Okay, this will be the answer of Salma cycled. You have to calculate this answer by yourself. And again there is a problem that the 45 and 55 minutes, we cannot subtract 55 from 45. That means you have to split this number into hours. And while in the previous lesson you have learned about the subtraction and addition properly, that if we have to take carry from this hour to minutes, we have to take carry 60 and this become 4. And now we will add 60 and 45 as a whole number. We cannot add it separately like 0 plus 5 and 5 and 4 and 5. No, this will be the wrong. Okay, add the 60 and 45 completely like this, and then you have to subtract this 55 from the answer of this addition. 0 plus 5 is 5 and 6 plus 4 is 10. Now add this 55, and this 55 came from this. 55 minus 5 is 0, 10 minus 5 is 5. That means the answer is 50. And 4 minus 1 is whatever. Okay, this is the time of Salma cycle. Now you have to show your comparison that how much longer did Salma cycle than Maham. Okay, again you have to subtract your answer to show the comparison. The Maham time is 1 hour and 55 minutes. Okay? And the Salma time, whatever with the Salma time, if the Salma has spent more hours, then you have to write the Salma's time first and then Maham's time. Okay, Salma's times and Maham's times, then you will find out your final answer. And the Salma's time you can get from this answer from this subtraction, and Maham's time they have given the question, that is 1 hour and 55 minutes. Okay, now make your own statements and solve this question. This is the difficult questions, that's why I have solved it for you. Question number 4 is, Shan spent 2 hours and 45 minutes painting. Samuel spent 1 hour and 5 minutes less painting. Less means you have to again do subtraction. शैन पेंटिंग करते वक्त 2 घंटे 45 मिनट स्पेंड करता है और सैम्यूल 1 घंटा 5 मिनट कम स्पेंड करता है एज कम्पेयर टू शैन. That means if you subtract 1 hour and 5 minutes, you can find out the answer of Samuel as well. And what was the total time they spent painting? After finding out the answer of Samuel spent painting, you can add the answer of Samuel painting and Shan painting to find out your final answer. Okay. The question number 5 is, a tailor took 7 hours and 55 minutes to make 2 dresses. एक टेलर 2 ड्रेसेस बनाने के लिए 7 घंटे 55 मिनट लेता है. एंड ही मेड 1 ड्रेस इन 3 hours and 15 minutes. और वो एक ड्रेस 3 घंटे और 15 मिनट में बनाता है. नाउ हाउ मच डिड ही टेक टू मेक द अदर ड्रेस? अब दूसरा ड्रेस बनाने के लिए कितना टाइम लेगा? You have to solve this question yourself. Okay, the question number 6 is, Mr. Rizwan worked for 5 hours and 40 minutes on Monday. Mr. Rizwan 5 घंटे 40 मिनट काम करते हैं मंडे को. 4 hours and 55 minutes on Wednesday. वेनेसडे को वो 4 घंटे 55 मिनट काम करते हैं. एंड 3 hours 25 minutes on Thursday. और थर्सडे को 3 घंटे 25 मिनट काम करते हैं. How many hours and minutes did he work all together? तो कितने घंटे और या कितने मिनट या कितना टाइम उन्होंने स्पेंड किया तीनों दिनों में, मंडे, वेनेसडे एंड थर्सडे. तीनों दिनों का टाइम आपने फाइंड आउट करना है टू गेट योर फाइनल आंसर. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन again by yourself on your notebooks, and you have to solve these all questions, question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on your notebooks as well. Okay, now I can write the now I will write the assignment for your convenience. Assignment for today's lecture is word problems, textbook, page number 222. Question number 1 I have solved it. The question number 3 I have given the maximum clue of the question number 3, and the rest of the question you have to make your own statement. You have to solve this yourself, and please don't forget to write the working on your notebooks, and don't forget to make the statements. Okay, make your statements maximum as you can. The page number 222 of textbook, the question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The 1 I have solved it in this lecture, and 3 I have solved it maximum. Okay, now the rest questions you will solve on your by yourself, and the workbook page number, workbook 3B, the page number for the workbook page number 99. On your page number 99 there are the 2 questions. I can explain it for yourself. The question is, question number 1, Mrs. Javed spent 1 hour and 27 minutes cooking and 1 hour 43 minutes doing the laundry. खाना बनाने में वो 1 घंटा 27 मिनट स्पेंड करती हैं और लॉन्ड्री में यानी कि कपड़े धोने में वो 1 घंटा 43 मिनट यानी कि 43 मिनट स्पेंड करती हैं. व्हाट वाज द टोटल टाइम शी स्पेंड डूइंग द हाउस वर्क? द टोटल टाइम स्पेंड आपने बताना है. इट्स वेरी इजी क्वेश्चंस. ओके, नाउ द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज दैट मिस्टर अहमद took 1 hour and 36 minutes to drive from town X to town Y. मिस्टर अहमद 1 घंटा 36 मिनट लेते हैं टाउन X से टाउन Y तक पहुंचने में, एंड ही टुक 45 मिनट्स टू ड्राइव फ्रॉम टाउन Y टू टाउन Z. और टाउन Y से टाउन Z तक पहुंचने में वो 45 मिनट लेते हैं. ओके, नाउ हाउ लॉन्ग डिड ही टेक टू ड्राइव फ्रॉम टाउन एक्स टू टाउन जी, तो टाउन एक्स से टाउन जी 3 टाउन्स हैं ये, इस तरह ही इस्लामाबाद वाली एग्जाम्पल की तरह। एक्स से वाई की तरफ उन्होंने पूरा टाइम एग्जैक्ट बता दिया हुआ है और वाई से जी की तरफ पूरा टाइम बता दिया है। नाउ यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द टाइम फ्रॉम एक्स टू जी। You know better what you have to do in this question. Okay, I hope you got this lesson, and if you have any query then ask anytime. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.